Meaning of hooey.
hooey,
Hooey.
hooey,
Hooey. The word hooey is a colloquial expression that means nonsense or foolish talk. It is often used to describe something that is untrue or misleading. The term has its roots in the early 20th century when it was primarily used in rural America. The origin of the word is uncertain, but it has been suggested that it comes from the Dutch word hooey, which means horseplay or whim. Today, the word hooey is still in use and can be heard in informal conversation or popular media, often used to express disbelief or rejection of a statement or claim.